I didn't hear that, but what I heard was Andrew Mwenda last night. He said, correct me if I'm wrong, that for him, he was in a very emotional state, and his emotion seems to be that he was so aggrieved that Besigye wanted to kill Museveni. But if it was him, he would have killed Besigye in Kenya. But Mwenda saying he would have killed Besigye. I don't know whether this is even, I don't know whether we should even go to the police and notify the police that there's someone with intent to kill. I found it really shocking. But thank God he was not killed. Thank God he was brought here, and we are going to go to a civilian court. But all this nastiness, I have to tell you, is so unfortunate for all of us in Uganda. We need a country that is managed in a civil way, where politics is managed well. People come in and people come out, and we, the rest of the people, just benefit from good decisions. This is what's happening in other countries. The other day in Namibia, my friend, Netumbo Ndaitwa, a woman, was elected president. She hasn't yet taken over. She's waiting for inauguration. But there was no big fuss. She won the election. She's going to be named. She's the first woman to be the president. No fuss. Didn't even make news here. The other day in Ghana, the government lost. The opposition leader won. It wasn't big news because it all goes smoothly, properly, according to the law. Here, this refusal to respect institutions, the constitution, this I am going to rule because I have the army, because I am strong, is costing us so much. All these kids you see, we have no jobs, we have no jobs. Where will they get them from? If Uganda is not stable, if everybody is waiting for the person who will shoot out Museveni and bring his own army, build his own army, who is going to bring their money here and start big businesses? I was recently at the World Economic Forum in Davos. I was in a room with presidents, prime ministers, ministers of finance, and central bank governors. And in this meeting, business people were there, those who own companies that are global. Somebody like the head of Heineken beer was there. Someone from Google was there. So these companies were talking about how they are investing in Africa. All of them kept mentioning, now you could see where is money going in Africa. They spoke about South Africa. They spoke about Ghana. They spoke about Kenya. And they spoke about Ethiopia and even Rwanda, 5 countries. Not one single person mentioned Uganda. You can see that investment flows are going to countries that are relatively free, where the rule of law works, where there's predictability in transitions. This is where money goes. This is where jobs are created. Not here